Hello, Simon Ditchburn here from the Tudor Group, and I've had a bright spark idea. I realise that with this COVID-19 situation, a lot of you guys can't actually travel here to do your viewings. Now, if you go to our YouTube channel, and I'll put the link in the description down below, you're going to find all the videos there, the walkthrough of the apartments, the full construction of the building. You've got all the promotions that we're running at the moment. But I've realised you haven't got the local knowledge. What's the local? What's the local bar? What's the local laundry? What's the local 7-Eleven? What's the local ladyboy? Can we say that? Ladyboy? Are you sure? Right, roll VT. Well, hello there, it's Simon here from the Tudor Group, and I'm here today to answer some of your basic amenity questions. Some of the inquiries that are coming into us are saying, well, if we're going to stay with you at Tudor Court or stay with you at the Cube Condominium, what have we got locally? Is there a local laundry? Where do we get our taxi services to go down to town? Where is our local 7-Eleven if we want some basic amenities, milk, sugar, coffee, whatever it may be? So I thought I'd give a quick walk around and actually show you how close some of those services are. Now, they're not silly questions, it's also the sort of thing I want to know if I'm staying somewhere. Where can I find the local services? So here we go. I've just walked about 100 metres down from the front door of Tudor Court, and we have already arrived at the local laundry. Spin the camera around and there you go, you can see it. So that is literally a 100-metre walk down from Tudor Court. Right next door is the Cube Condominium, and as I've just walked down the road, there's our local laundry. So I think really the next question up was all about the taxis. Where are we going to find the local taxi if we wanted to go down into town? Well, the taxis are quite simply at the top of the hill. So I'm going to jump in the car just for quickness to take you up there and show you just how close that local taxi is. It's a 2-minute walk, it's probably 300 metres. Right, I've jumped in the car and we're going to drive up there just like we're leaving the Cube Condominium. Now, as I said, I'm just doing the drive just for quickness, just to get you up there and show you for the purpose of the video. But it's about a 300-metre walk up to the taxis at the top. And if you needed a taxi to go up to the airport or something much larger, then we will have all the telephone numbers in reception. So if you want to go just locally into town, use these guys up here. If you want to go up to the airport, then you go into the reception. So let's drive you up there and you can see the taxi rank. So, as if by magic, I'm now at the top of the hill, and if I spin the camera around, there you're going to find our rent-a-taxis here at the top. So it's the motorbike taxi station about 300 metres away from the front door. Now, also right next to that, at the top of the road here, you've just seen one go by. This is the main Pattaya road. It's the main road that goes through from Jomtien into Pattaya. So you also get the BART buses coming through here. So if you don't fancy the motorbike taxi to take you into town, just stand at the top of the road here. You've just seen one of the taxis go by, flag him down, and he'll take you into your destination. Okay, I'm still at the taxi rank, but I've just jumped back in the car to show you where is our closest 7-Eleven. So once again, just for the speed and the purpose of the video, I'm going to be driving up there. But if you want to walk, I would say it's probably 1 kilometre, I suppose, from the front door of Tudor Court. So you could probably walk it in maybe 5 minutes, something on those lines. So I'm just pulling out away from the taxis. The taxis are just behind me there. And I'm going to park into the easy 7-Eleven just because I've got the car with me. And of course he's waving me out very nicely, so we're not going to have an accident. So spin the camera around and then you know the direction we're going to be in. Here we are, arrived at the local 7-Eleven. There she is right there behind me. So as I said, that's probably about a 5-minute walk, I guess, from the front door of Tudor Court, probably about 1 kilometre, so 1,000 metres. It's got all your local bits and pieces in there. You'll find your tea, your milk, your coffee, all your local essentials. And they've also got the ATMs on the front of the building, just in case you need to take the cash out. So there was the answer to one of the most common questions. Where's the local laundry, taxi, and where's my local 7-Eleven? Next up, one of the biggest questions of all, where's my local beach? Keep an eye out for that video. It's on the playlist of Where's the Local. See you next time. I'll see you there, and I'll see you then.